I was working with a guy that used to play for the Boston Celtics in the NBA. He was a starting guard for them, and we worked together in the off season. And then during the season, he would kind of he wouldn't communicate well. He like I would see him like every week during the summertime, but during the season he would kind of disappear. I'm traveling and I get to my hotel, I turn the TV on, and it's the NBA playoffs, and his team's playing. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll get to watch him play. He played horribly. He played like crap, and his team lost. And I got so mad. I sent him a text, and I went, "You look like crap. You played like crap. If you want to fix it, let me know. Send." And I didn't think I was going to hear a thing. I go out for a run. 20 minutes later, I get a text, and he goes, and they were in Chicago. They were playing the Bulls, and he goes, "Can you get here?" And I'm like, "No, dude, I'm in the middle of a bunch of stuff. I can't get here, but let's get you up on Zoom like this." So I got him up on Zoom. I looked at him, and he brought a trainer with him. And I'm looking at him, and his posture actually looked a lot like yours, where his hips were out in front of him, his shoulders went back, his head went forward. And I'm like, okay, we got to fix this. I gave him like 5 simple exercises to do. By the time we're done, he looked massively better. The game I saw, he shot like 1 for 6 from 3-point range. And there was no surprise why. His hips were in completely different positions. So every time he would push to do a jump shot, he was pushing off harder with one leg than the other. So his body was twisting. So now his body's going, well, shoot, I'm moving, but the target ain't moving. And now he's having to adjust with his hands and his fingers and his elbows, and his shot was just a mess. He went out the next night, shot 4 for 6 from 3. They ended up winning. They were down 0-2. They ended up winning 4 straight, and he was the most valuable player of that series. Getting your body back into the position it's designed to be in can massively improve your performance and the way your body functions.